thank you again for watching. Today is March 18th, I believe, 2019. If not, I'll correct it in the narration, subtitles. March 18th, what I'm going with. But today we've been called by a customer. They called last week and we just didn't have time to get to them. But we're going to move a rollback, a older international rollback, to a diesel garage up in Kings Mountain. We've had a request for more medium duty tows, so this is a medium duty tow. Hopefully we'll be able to grab it from the rear and not have to disconnect the drive line or anything like that. I know the problem with the truck is it has no brakes. It's a hydraulic brake truck, and either the master cylinder's bad or the calipers are bad or something's going on, or a line may be busted, but it's losing brake fluid as quick as he puts it in there, what he said. So we're gonna go out here and see if we can't get it hooked up and towed to the dealer. When we get there, I've got you on the helmet cam now. I'm just holding the helmet. I still haven't found a good mount for this truck, so any ideas, let me know. Any suction cup mounts you like, let me know. You know, this is an extended cab, so unlike the four-wheel drive wrecker, I can't put on the back glass because you'd be way back there, and I don't know if you'd be able to hear me. I could on the windshield, but all you're gonna see is the road in front of me. Let me know what you think, and I'll try to find out the best amount to put in this truck. Probably gonna be another camera. That's what I'm looking at, is adding two cameras where one can be on the dash and one can be on my helmet. So let me know what you think, and we'll turn you back on when we get there. Stay tuned. All right. So I didn't know it's got a good pitch on the back, so that's what we're going to tie to. I do apologize, my truck is completely filthy right now. All right, we're going to back on up, get closer to it. Turn that off. There he comes down the driveway, customer. Close enough there, should be. There. All right. So the brakes are out on it?
Yeah.
Well, you got a couple blocks of wood. I'll just scotch up one of those blocks when I get up there. And I'll okay. All right, good deal.
Yeah, that'd be fine. I can raise that up.
I think we're good there.
Okay.
Oh, there's no need. drive wheels are off the ground.
Okay.
That's why I don't have to pull that drive shaft.
There you go.
I'm just glad we're not raining today. I'm about tired of rain, aren't you?
I am too. Well, might be a little cooler today.
No, I like the cool weather. Straps. Come on, bud. Let go. Let go. Come on now. Let go. There we go. There we go.
That thing's handy there. You don't have to stretch a bunch of water.
That's it. Especially if you turn it on.
Yeah.
Where's center on this steering wheel? Do you know?
Center.
Yeah. Where's it normally ride at?
Turn them to the right just a little bit. Turn with.
Right there? Okay. there's the seat frame. All right, we're ready to go.
I'm gonna be right behind you.
All right. All right. Hooked up, ready to go. Got good turning clearance. We are good there. All right, guys, we'll see you when we get to the shop to drop this truck. I'm gonna focus on driving because this is a tight spot we're fixing to pull out of. So we'll see you when we get there. Stay tuned. Okay, we're here. I think this is where they want to put it. This is where I normally put trucks, so we'll see if we can't just drop it here and get it unhooked. Get our secondary chains off first. I assume this is good. He can move it.
Yeah. It'll crank up and drive. You just ain't got no brakes to stop it.
Right.
That's
Those are good to have, aren't they?
That's a scary feeling too.
Oh yeah. I've been there before.
Yes, sir.
Must have hydraulic brakes in.
It's a vacuum over hydraulics.
Yeah.
They tell me it's hanging.
Look at that grease on that door.
cost something when you get them worked on.
Yeah.
Now you know, make a little money with them while they go.
That's it. You got the front wheel scotched?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's been a good truck. It's handy to have.
Thank you, sir. I guarantee you it's a nice one.
Yeah. It needs a bath right now.
Mine does too. I appreciate it, Kyle.
All this rain is terrible.
I know. Have a good day.
You
If we
too.
meet, we'll holler at you again.
All right. Thank you, sir. Okay, we have successfully got the truck delivered. We are heading back to our yard. Wait for the next call. Thank you for watching. As always, please like, comment, tell us what you think. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. God bless.